Dreaming of becoming a doctor, study MBBS at NMC and WHO recognized universities in Bangladesh, Nepal, Uzbekistan, Kyrgyzstan, and Timor-Leste at a fraction of the cost in India. From admissions and visas to education loans, Good Shepherd handles it all. Visit Good Shepherd Shillong today.
Ka Sarkar Jilla Lingbaga Department of Textile haga nyotri gunailar arja arpenrio kalaraki ka National Handloom Day ka bakhat ar but haga jo ka por kala play pat ba ka Handloom Week ha State Guest House Shillong kani ka Handloom Week ka de ka sin jam an aimen si mi ginong sang kam la jong ki batrai haga kam so bat Thaiñ Jaiñ but ki we ki tiar bala thaw ki kti man pini pat ba ki sab bat ki mar jong ki Hagani ka singi lawan man play pat ba yakani ka exhibition da uba Metbah lingdo mentri bedai kmi yakatnat kum ukongsan pada hagani ka exhibition ki nong seng kam la jong gila yo lat man pin I yaki mar bagila shna da ka sap baga jingtray minot jongki ringkat pada uba Metbah laidon langru uba Frederick Khat Kongor Principal Secretary ka Department of Textile lembat kiwe ki he sarkar ki officer ki nong seng kam la jong bat ki samla pulia Habakren hakani kesingi uba Metbah uloong baga handloom sector kadang long kawai ni kibenta bakongsan man Pynneh pensa ialah ka Tynrai ka culture bat ka roi ka par jong ka emlang salang uloong ru baga ni ka benta ka play ki lat ai kam ai jam kham tam ha ki Thaiñ nong kendong ka bala ban kirsha ni ka yo ka kot jong ki long yeng long sem ki bashania hakani ka kam Nolong ka tao mentri ulakin tui ki nong seng kam la jong bakin nang tray shitom bat nang pen ki ki sab jong ki Krang baga kam trekti kanang kiu shaprang hakisnam ki banwan.
It is a very, very important and meaningful day. Why I said meaningful day? The reason is that in any journey that we take in our life, the leader always takes the credit. But to me, and all of you who are here in this gathering will agree that there has to be a team. The programs which has been made for this very, very important day, I feel right from the first item till the last item that we had just now, have already witnessed the mission that we are, the journey that we are going on, is because of the team. I need not to mention too much what already dwelt upon by all my friends who have already spoken before me. But I'm just to be very fortunate and privileged to be invited to be a part of this National Handloom Day. So thank you very much once again for inviting me to be a part of this inauguration of the exhibition and also the launching of the Handloom Week of our state. The handloom sector remains one of the source of sustainable rural employment, supporting the livelihoods of more than 50,000 households, with women accounting for almost over 70% of the workforce in our state. Besides its economic importance, the sector plays a key role in preserving the state's textile traditions and promoting. The sector plays a key role in preserving the state's textile traditions and promoting the sustainable production practices. National Handloom Day is observed annually on this day of August 7th every year. To commemorate the Swedish movement launched way back in 1905. When we talk about movement, there has to be a reason why people at that point of time decided to make it as a movement. There is a genuine reasons for it. And we were told that the whole idea and purpose of that movement is to boycott or reduce the dependency on any foreign cloth or foreign goods.
Habatin, pej bahagi kishap, kashap plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki bataye kamet. Namar kata habathiru atau kau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pej ya kashap plus F haka jingsom. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka ayan la icon diat bat ka bathau bha kam kta ai ka dur jingki mar bam ka jing mat lani ka rukom shed yaki.
Balehi banai kita.
Kadon ka we ka jing mentoy ba kongsan. Ka kot ka kia. Ka nutrition bakam bha ka jing im bakam bha pendon kam daki mar ba madon ka sharp plus F menta kasni
Lawan Ra Shapi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya.